Why is VOM, value over replacement, important in baseball stats? Imagine trying to figure out which player truly adds the most wins to a team. It can be tricky because players contribute in many ways. That's where VOM, or value over replacement, comes into play. It helps us see how much better a player is compared to a basic, readily available player. This makes it easier to compare players across different teams, positions, and eras. VOM is part of a bigger picture called wins above replacement, or WAR. WAR shows how many more wins a player gives a team compared to a replacement-level player, who is usually a minor league call-up or a free agent earning the league minimum. For example, if a team had only replacement players, they might win around 41 to 50 games in a season. When a player's WAR is high, it means they are adding a lot more wins than a typical replacement. This statistic is important because it combines many parts of a player's game into one number. For position players, WAR includes batting, running, fielding, and adjustments for the position played and the league. For pitchers, it considers how many runs they allow and their ability to prevent runs, adjusted for the league and ballpark. This way, a player who hits many home runs or pitches a lot of shutouts can both show their value through WAR. Different organizations calculate WAR slightly differently. Baseball Reference uses a method called RAW9 for pitchers and defensive runs saved for fielding. Fangraphs uses fielder independent pitching for pitchers and ultimate zone rating for defense. Baseball Prospectus offers wins above replacement player, or WARP. Despite these differences, all of them answer the same core question: how much does this player help the team win? In real life, WAR is used to decide awards like Most Valuable Player and Cy Young. Over the past 10 seasons, winners of these awards have always ranked high in WAR. This shows that WAR is a reliable way to find the most impactful players each year. When studying players from the past and present, WAR makes it possible to compare them fairly. If a player from decades ago had an 8 WAR season, it means they contributed about 8 extra wins for their team, just like a modern player with the same WAR. This makes WAR a great tool for understanding how players from different times stack up against each other. Traditional stats like batting average or earned run average tell us how well a player performed in specific areas. But they don't tell us how much that performance helped the team win games. WAR fills that gap by measuring overall value in wins, which is what really matters in baseball. Understanding VOM is about recognizing that it simplifies a lot of different contributions into one clear number. It accounts for offense, defense, position, league, and ballpark effects. This makes WAR a quick way to see how valuable a player really is and helps us compare players who might seem different at first glance. It's a key tool for anyone wanting to understand baseball statistics better and see the true impact of players on their teams.